Hey guys, Davis here. Welcome back to Tech-Junkie. In this video, I'll show you a few adjustments in pfsense that I always use in my lab. The first one will be changing the default HTTP to HTTPS protocol and change the listening port from 443 to other port like 8088 and protect the console with a password. And also, previously we are using the admin user as the synchronized user. We will change that. And at last, we will install the OpenVM tools. That way we can initial get shutdown from the ESXi or from the vCenter. So let's bring out the pfsense, the first one. In order to change the protocol, we need a certificate. By default, there is a certificate generated upon the installation, but as we have our own certificate of authority, so we can request a certificate from there. Okay. After you log in the pfsense, click on the system, cert manager, and certificate. And one more thing, we can add our CA here. Actually, let's add our CA here. Import. Okay. Previously, we have the chain download. The root. Simple lab. CA. Save. Okay. Let's also add the support initiate. Simple lab. I will just use sub CA. Wow, that's pretty long. Simple lab. Okay, go back to the certificates tab. Click on the add and sign tab button. In the method, of course, we are choosing the create a certificate signing request, create CSR, descriptive name pfsense cert, RSA 2040 algorithm, don't care about that. Okay, in the command name, we should have the URL in this one. Okay, that will be labpf01.simplelab.int. Country code HK, state HK, city HK, organization Tech-Junkie, maybe organizational unit lab. This will be a server certificate. Alternative name, just in case, we put the labpf01 here, and also generate the name for the labpf02, because we can use the same cert on both machines. Save. So this one is our certificate signing request. So let's export the request. Did I click on it already? No. Thanos? Oh, yeah, it's there. Ah, crap. Okay. Get the request, and we can access our CA. Actually, what was it? CaO2. Yep, CaO2.simple laptop. So SRV. Ask for credential, demo admin. Request a certificate, advanced certificate request. Okay, paste our request here, certificate template, web server, submit. Okay, download the certificate. Remember, choose the base 64 encoded download certificate. Okay, just actually, maybe we can just import it to the pfsense. Export, update, CSR. Oh, click on it. No. Oops. Side. Oh, import an existing certificate. Descriptive name, pfsense. Oh, nope. Hey, what? Oh, certificate data. Yep, here. Okay. Once we got the certificate, we go back to the certificates tab and click on the pencil button or something. Update CSR. The name is kind of confused, but it is this button lead us to the completing the certificate. Update does not match the signing public key. What? Oh no, the certificate. Wait, what? Yep, that's cool. So we have the certificate here. We can export. Oops, no. I meant to export both certificate and key. Can I just no? P12. Wow. Let's see on the second pfSense. Let's see if we can import the certificate here. Cert manager. Oh, cool. Because we already have the hasync. The certificate is here. Cool. Wait, what? Really? Maybe I log into the wrong pfSense, maybe. Certificate manager, yep. Okay, looks good. So go back to the pfSense. We can change our protocol and the port here in the advanced system advanced. Hey, come on. Wait, what? I didn't change it. What happened? System. Maybe the stupid catch on the browser, but it's okay, I think. No, it's not okay. It's messed up. Okay, let's bring out the inprivate window 10.10.1.2. System advanced. Yep. The stupid browser catch. Okay, once we land the advanced page, there are a couple tabs. Of course, we are changing the protocol in the admin access. As you can see, the first one is the protocol. Change to HTTPS, and we can select our certificate. We can select the pfSense cert here. And the TCP port, let's use the 8088. The other things, not matter. Okay, the last one is the console option, the console menu. If we check this box, every time we go to the console, we have to log in. Then we can use the console. If you don't have the password, you cannot use the console. It's some sort of protection on the console. It is nice to have. Save. Okay, on the other node. Advanced HTTPS and pfSense cert 8088, and of course the protocol and the port must be matched between the two HA nodes, because they will use the same management node to talk to each other. Okay, the first one is prompting us to the new page. Right now, we can actually add a DNS record. Maybe 2 DNS records for the primary and the secondary one. So we can directly use the URL to access the pfSense to match the certificate's command name and the alternative name, so the cert won't be prompting any error message. Come on, so slow. dnsmgmt.msc. Open that forward lookup some simple app. It would be lab pf01 10.10.1.2. Yep, the second one is lab pf02. The IP is 10.10.1.3. Done. Let's bring out the site and services slapping to replicate the domain controller to try to speed up a little. Then this thing is really slow. It's here. No, not you. You and you. Okay, let's try https lab pf01.simplelab.int 8088. Cool, so cool. The second one, pf02. Yep, the URL is all good. Login. At first, it's complaining, it's not synchronized, it's not being synchronized to the second host. Because there's some time difference between we update the first one and the second one. Let's see. Let's try to add some firewall rule. See if we can replicate synchronized to the second host. When? No. How about in the 1003? Okay, let's whatever rule here apply. Let's see if we can find it here. Cool, it's also working. Let's delete this rule, apply. Okay, it's also gone. So the configuration synchronization is working. So the last one would second last would be changing the user to another one for the actual synchronization. Okay, so go to the user manager. Of course, we need another user. I would call it hasync. password, just this, just that. Full name doesn't matter. Not a member of admin is okay. Save. Okay, we added the newly created hasync user and give him some privilege. Actually, we only need to give it the system noticing to the user. Save. Ah, crap. I created the user on the second node. I should create a user on the primary node because any changes made on the second node, it is not replicated to the primary node. The opposite. In order to get the configuration replicated, I have to do it on the first node, the PFO one. Okay, but matters not. It's so quick. It's very quick. It will be quick. Save. Edit. Give it the HA node sync. Save. The privilege is here. Okay, save. Let's see. Click on that. Okay, the HA sync is here. Let's go back to the HA high availability sync here. Just use the HA sync and type in the password we just provide during the user creation. Save. Okay, it's spinning. Come on, man. Okay, let's have another try. Let's create some rules. See if they will get replicated. So 1013. Create a rule here. Oh my god. I created a rule on the second node. Once more. On the first node, create a rule, apply, and refresh. Yep, the rule is here. So the HA sync user is working as expected. Oh, I almost forgot. There's one last thing on the pfsense. Let's go to the system, the package manager, available packages. Let's search open VM tools. Get this install. Confirm. Actually, you can see the difference here in the ESXi or vCenter. If your virtual machine have the VMware agent or tools that can talk to the hypervisor, you can show more information here, and you have the ability to choose guest OS shutdown or restart. Like this one, action guest OS. Sorry, power. Shut down guest OS, restart guest OS. But if your virtual machine do not have the VMware tools or any other OpenVM tools that can talk to the hypervisor, you won't have this option, so it's grayed out. So we just install the tools on labpf01. There should be the option here. Yeah, that's correct. So we also install the tools on the second node. Package manager, available packages, open VM tools, install, confirm. It will be fast, so fast. Yeah, it's done. It's done like dinner. Just give it a bit more time. The DNS name and the IP address will pop up eventually. Come on. Yep. Okay. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you like this video, leave a thumbs up or consider subscribe, and also feel free to comment. Thank you. I'll see you in the next one.